Hey there, everybody. I don't know if you saw this or not, but there is a challenge, a Cloudflare AI challenge that is available on Dev that you should know about because there are not only are there prizes, but there's also prizes in learning how to build some fun AI apps. We've got a lot of models on Cloudflare and we're trying to get people to use them. And because I work at Cloudflare, I don't get to be part of this, but I wanted to show you maybe some inspiration of something that I built recently. And I want you to feel inspired, play with it even if you want to, come and download it. So I call it Whateverify. What it does is you can turn yourself into whatever you want. Like you take a photo, it gets a description, and it generates a scene of the character, and then it generates an image that goes out and it uses a bunch of models as it goes. So I thought I'd just give you a quick demo of that, and then also link this code to you if you wanted to. I won't be offended if you take this and run with it. In fact, I want you to take it and run with it. I think that a big thing with AI is that you take the time to play with it, and I would love you to play with it. So here we go. All right. So this is Whatever If I built with love. It's on Cloudflare Workers AI. So you can do these different things. You could be a Lego. You can make yourself a kid if you want to. You could go on Sesame Street as a Muppet. On this one here is the Superhero-ify. I think I'm going to do this one right now, just because of my nice backdrop. I'm here in the Austin office, and I've got a nice city behind me, a little view. So we'll see what it says is going on in the picture here. So I'm going to use a Superhero-ify, and it's going to ask for some of my hobbies. Let's see. One of the things that I got into over the pandemic, actually was always wanted to do this with skateboarding. I did my first ollie very recently, and I'm quite proud of it. I'm going to get myself up over here so we can kind of watch what happens here. So I'm going to take a photo of myself. Let's do a webcam. Let's see what happens. Can I use the webcam while using the webcam? I can't. All right. So here we go. So I'm going to do a capture this photo. And what it's going to do now is it's going to go to this vision model, this U form model here, and we're generating a scene and character. It's kind of moving so fast. That's kind of the point. It's fast. So Workers AI is very fast. So a man with a beard and a goatee, wearing glasses and a pink shirt, standing in an office, smiling at the camera. I don't know how. I guess I was smiling. Wearing a black jacket and a black tie. Not true. There's still a little bit of hallucination. There's a city skyline. All right. So the scene. We're going to use this Open Hermes awesome things from News Research. Shout out to them. The super fun model. And I use that based on this description, I'd like to generate a scene like you're making a superhero movie. What's the scene look like? And as the sun sets, the city lights up, creating a stunning backdrop for our superhero to showcase their skills. Dressed in their superhero outfit is effortlessly skateboarding through the town. So it's using my hobby and my description here to generate that, right? So this is a generative text that came through here. And then a Skyline Skater is the name of the superhero, which is pretty cool. Wearing glasses and a bright pink shirt to stand out. So it took those two things. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate a stable diffusion prompt. Now, if you haven't seen stable diffusion before, you give it a prompt and it's pretty good at like figuring out what happens. In fact, let's see what it does. So that can generate an image. And that's what I look like. Now, I did say I was wearing a black tie, which is why the tie's there. But wow, isn't that cool? So from that picture, I can do that. There's, you can do kind of whatever you want here. And that's what the idea of this Whateverify is, that if you can get the prompts just right, you can do this. And I actually kind of abstracted that away because I think what I'd like you to play with most, if you're interested in this sort of thing, here in this source directory, there's this directory called whatevers. And these are a series of prompts that you put together that I kind of just extracted for you. So here's what happens. So you prompt for the scene, and it's really strange if you haven't done this before, but this is English. I'm telling it that you're a designer, and this is how we do the Muppet one. And you're a Muppet creator, right? And you talk about the different things here, and come and play with it and see what can happen. And then it puts those all together. There's a Pages app. I will include this link here, but you can go and just get this demo and run this demo locally for yourself. So you can do this npm install, npm run dev, and then that will run a local server that you can go and play with. And then when you're ready, you can do npm run deploy and push it forward. So you clone this down to your local repo, play with it, get the thing going however you want, and then see what you generate. And if you do generate stuff, let me know. And if you submit to this contest, to this dev.to contest, also let me know. I'd love to know what you all are building. We're so excited to have all these new models out here for you to play with. And we're really, really excited to have you use the tools that we're putting out there for you. What a bonkers time it is to be a builder.